Hey everyone, Andy Sachs here with Around Town Real Estate and your next estate and probate focused real estate bit of information. Today we're going to talk about what makes estate real estate fundamentally different than the regular sale. When people hear the phrase estate sale, most assume it's just a normal home sale with a different label attached. Or from a buyer perspective, oftentimes they think, wow, fire sale, they got to sell right away. In reality, estate real estate is fundamentally different, and those differences matter more than most families and fiduciaries realize. The first major difference is decision making. In a traditional sale, you typically have one seller, one goal, and one timeline. In estate situations, you often have multiple heirs, trustees, or executors involved. Each person may have a different priority, speed, price, emotional attachment, or risk tolerance. That alone changes how every decision needs to be made and approached. The second difference is emotion paired with responsibility. Executors and trustees aren't often just selling a home. They're trying to do the right thing. They're balancing legal duties, family expectations, and financial outcomes, often while being second guessed. That pressure changes how decisions feel and are made. And the third difference is risk. In estate situations, decisions need to be defensible. The pricing, preparation, and timing choices need to make sense not only emotionally but logically and sometimes legally. I've seen situations where families rushed in to sell just to move forward, only to later question whether they made the right choice. And I've also seen situations where families slowed down just enough to understand their options, and the outcome was dramatically better for everyone involved. My role in an estate real estate situation isn't to push speed or maximize commission. It's to help families and fiduciaries understand the trade-offs of each option so they can move forward with confidence. Estate real estate rewards clarity, it rewards sequencing, and it rewards patience. With intentional decision making, all those things come to bear. When those elements are present, the process tends to feel calmer, more controlled, and far less stressful for everyone involved.